Welcome back to Ferrovial in 1 minute. Helping the communities where we are present is vitally important to us. Spain has been devastated by the recent flash floods. We'd like to thank all the Ferrovial professionals supporting with cleanup tasks and restoring services. Thanks also to all those colleagues who have donated money. Ferrovial will match your donations. In the US, Ferrovial team members came together to support those in need in the aftermath of Hurricanes Milton and Helene. Ferrovial has contributed to Feeding America, the largest network of food banks and pantries in the US. This month, we partnered with the Texas A&M Transportation Institute to support their Teens in the Driver's Seat Youth Transportation Safety Program. This partnership will fund awards and incentives to encourage safe driving. We are happy to share that our I-35 Waco Segment 4B project has received the American Society of Civil Engineers 2024 Award of Merit. The project has improved safety, capacity, and mobility. This month, Ferrovial announced an agreement to sell its 50% stake in AGS Airports, the parent company that owns Aberdeen, Southampton, and Glasgow airports. In other big news from the UK, Ferrovial Construction will design and build the high-speed railway project HS2 as part of a joint venture with BAM. This is the largest project that our UK construction business has secured to date. This festive season, our colleagues from the Energy Division have lit up cities across Spain by designing and assembling Christmas lights in different locations. And that's all for now. See you in December!